Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know I'm going to go ahead and start off by cleaning my cuticles. This is the same thing I do in every video. You guys know I'm always using the Sally Hansen cuticle remover because it is a game changer. This is literally the easiest way to clean your cuticles. And yes, you guys know I'm always sipping on a White Claw or Truly, something while I do my nails, just because if I don't, I will literally fall asleep. So after I finish cleaning my cuticles, I'm just going to go in and rough up the surface of my nails, just because gel lays a lot better on your nails when it has a little bit of texture on it. And you guys know today I'm applying my full cover tips as well because that's just been my easiest method. Like, they work so well for me that like I can't really see myself gluing on tips anymore. I'm not saying I'm not going to, but when I'm in a hurry, the full cover tips come in real clutch. Okay, so I'm going to be using the E-Nail Couture Double XL Coffin full cover tips. And I think I saw on maybe Femi's channel where instead of etching out the insides, you apply nail dehydrator, and that's supposed to work the same as etching. So this was my first time trying this, and this was a few days ago, so my nails are still on, so I'm assuming it worked. I'm going to go in with a thin layer of base coat gel to my natural nails just because that helps them adhere a lot better. I put a thin layer of gel into the full cover tip and then I cure them. You guys, it's so hard trying to show you in the lamp how I cure my nails on. I did just order some LED flashlights and I have been trying those out lately. I'm still getting the hang of it, but I do think I like it a little bit better than having to flip your whole lamp to cure your nails. So after my nails have been filed, I just go ahead and apply a thin layer base coat to the tips. This way my builder gel will slide right on there. Now I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this actually took a really long time to do, surprisingly. I don't know what happened, but my nails took me forever to do just one hand. Right here I'm mixing up my IBD clear builder gel and I'm adding in some black nail polish, and I'm just kind of testing out the color. I wanted it to be a black jelly polish, and this actually turned out really well. It wasn't too dark, which is what I wanted, because honestly when you're trying to do like an ombre nail, the darker the polish, the harder it is to make the ombre look smooth. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you're mixing this up. As you guys can see, I'm applying just a really thin layer to start off with because I want to keep it very light, at least in the ombre. I like my tips to be darker, like the very top to be darker, and then it be a little bit more of a jelly color towards the bottom. Okay, so once I cured my second coat, I go in with a little bit more of that black polish just to kind of ombre it out, because like I said, I do want the tip to have a lot more of the dark black color, but I don't want to have to worry about doing the blending with, you see how that is? That's what you don't want to do. So right here I'm going to be taking some alcohol and just cleaning off my nail bed so that it does not have that much darkness on it. And I'm just going to go ahead and paint the underside as well. I feel like this is a very effective method when you're trying to have a ombre like this. For some reason when you paint the backside, it just makes it look really seamless. So So once that's cured, I go ahead and take my Natural 2 Builder Gel from IBD as well. And this is my favorite color cover gel. This is literally such a beautiful color. And I'm telling you, this formula is perfect. It never floods my cuticles. It's actually amazing. So as you guys can see, I'm just moving that product up the nail. I will tell you that I did end up doing 2 layers. I do show it, but doing 1 layer with just this amount of gel was not going to cover up that ombre the way I wanted it to, because this is an opaque gel, but like I'm telling you, these black ombre blends are literally so hard to do. So after that has been cured with the second layer, I'm gonna take some gray, some white, and some black gel polish. Now I'm doing gray clouds instead of white clouds. This is what makes this design a little bit different than everybody else's. I don't know if I'm the first one to do a sky scene like this, and honestly it doesn't really matter to me if I was, because you know, it makes no difference. But yeah, I just wanted to switch it up. I do like the white cloud designs, but you know, I'm kind of over it. You know, I kind of feel like that's more of like a spring summer now, and we are literally in fall now. I feel like the weather has changed, and I just wanted something a little bit more dark and spooky, because I've been waiting for the dark nails. So after I go ahead and cure that, I'm literally just going to go around it with the black polish, and this is just going to help enhance the way the clouds look. You really can't see the difference now, but once the nails are finished, it makes a huge difference. It looks so good. Okay, so once I go ahead and add those little dark elements, you guys will see that the clouds just stand out so much more. Then I'm going to take a little dotting tool with some of the white gel polish, and I'm going to go ahead and add in some little stars just to really paint the scene. Okay, so once those are cured, I'm adding a thin layer of that clear builder gel, and I'm just going to be grabbing some random like sparkles and stars and moon shapes. You guys just want to be careful with this, because once you encapsulate these, they do lay really flat on the nails, but you want to make sure you're not grabbing any pieces that have like edges that stick out too far, because when you go to file your nails, if you accidentally like hit into those little pieces, they do turn like a rusty color that you don't want. So just be careful, be mindful. You guys, I got all these nail gems from Amazon. I can link some below because they're so cute. Like the little circle ones came with about like 6 of these, and they have like stars, moons, palm trees, you know, a whole bunch of cute stuff. You guys see what I'm saying? Like, I was gonna put that star there, but it just wouldn't lay flat onto my nail, and I didn't want to have to deal with that when filing. So once I go ahead and cure that, then I'm adding a layer of builder gel just to go ahead and encapsulate all those little gold pieces. And yeah, this was actually such a really pretty design. I actually loved it so much. But this step is very crucial. You really do want to encapsulate these little gold pieces, because if you don't, they will snag on everything. I promise you, the step is 100% necessary. It just makes your nails look so much better, because you don't want to be getting these pieces caught in your hair. And you guys, right now I'm literally just showing you how I do my nails a lot faster. I think I'm going to start doing this for more of my tutorials, kind of just showing you a slower version of me doing one nail and then showing you how it looks when I do the rest of my hand, because yeah, it takes a minute to do this. If I literally showed you guys the whole entire process of me doing my nails, you would be like, Kristina, why is this video 3 hours long for one hand? Okay, so this is what the nails look like before I filed them. Looking pretty good. And after they're filed, they looked so nice. You guys, I decided to go in with the matte top coat. This is so weird for me because I never do matte nails, but I figured, you know what, let me try something different. It's a new season, kinda. So yeah, I did show you guys what it looked like with a shiny top coat. I did like that as well, but the matte was just speaking to me. It was giving me all those, you know, Sabuki vibes, so I was totally here for this. And spoiler alert, my next set is literally matte as well, so you guys stay tuned for that next video. It is something that I never really do, so you guys will see that next week. And please excuse how messily I'm applying this top coat. You guys, I was tired. It was like 2:30 in the morning. I was ready for bed. So once I apply my homemade cuticle oil to my nails, and yeah, you guys, this is how they turned out. I hope you guys love this as much as I do. If you do recreate it, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for watching and sticking it out with me to the end, and I'll see you guys next time.